Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to discuss about the important topic. Every AI is not ML. Every AI is not machine learning. The use case at hand is face recognition pipeline. The first step is data creation, where we'll detect and save faces using Haar Cascade. And the second step is dataset review, where we'll manually clean up the dataset. The third step is model training, where we'll train LBPH model. The last but not least step is face prediction, where we'll compare LBPH histograms to recognize the faces. And we'll discuss more about it in the next session. This is how the original image looks like. This is the image on which the local binary patterns were extracted, and this is how the histogram looks like. LBPH, or Local Binary Pattern Histograms, is a specific algorithm inside the computer vision field used for texture analysis. It's just one among many, like Haar Cascades, that we're using today to detect the faces. HOG, Sift, Surf, optical flow, edge detection, color histograms, contour analysis that we'll be looking at in the coming sessions. This is what we're going to do practically. Let's start by creating a dataset. In this step, we'll detect, crop, and save face images. Let's run the first file. The next step is to review the dataset. Now that the dataset is ready, let's train the model. These are the metrics. We have loaded this number of samples, and because we have said validation split to 0.2 or or 20%. We got 48 images for validation and 194 images for training. This means the accuracy is 100%. Every image was accepted. Yes, this is the confusion matrix. We have one class. Finally, let's make predictions. Zero 0.4. Thank you for your attention. Until next time, bye.